everyone, I'm Sharon from Little River Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to level your cake and get perfectly level layers so that your cake looks amazing once you put icing through it. So there's a few different ways that you can level your cake, or tort as some people know it as, and you can do it the hard way. The first way is definitely the hardest way, so you can use a knife and eyeball it and try to slice nice even layers, which very rarely works unless you've been doing it for an extraordinarily long time. Or you can use the second hardest way, is that you can use a ruler and some toothpicks, and you can mark exactly where you would like your layers to go, and you just mark, you go around your cake with some skewers just like this, and use it as a guide so that you know where to pop your knife. And then you get your knife and you use those skewers to guide you through so you get a nice even layer. Or the easiest way, and the way that I only ever recommend, is to get one of these. This is just a cake leveler. They're around $10 from any of your cake decorating stores, or even Big W. Any of those places will sell these. And all you do, these wires here are adjustable and you can change it to the level that you want. And all you do is set that up and run it through your cake. So I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so once you've decided where you would like the level of your cakes to go, so like I said, there's little grooves here where you can change it so that it can be any height that you like. I want to cut this one into 2 layers, and I'm going to end up taking the top off because, as you can see, there's a dome there. So just using your cake leveler, just nice and easily make sure that the legs stay on the surface of your worktop, and just seesaw it from side to side and bring it through. And when it comes to the other end, it's a good idea to pop your finger there so that it doesn't come out and take a chunk out the side of your cake. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like. Look at that. Perfectly level layer for our cake. So when we want to do our next section, I want to take that big section off the top of our cake. I'm just going to run it through the top. And pop that aside. And now we have 2 layers of cake. I'm not worried about this little shoulder here because that can be filled up with icing. But now when we pop our cake together and we layer it, we're going to have a perfectly even cake to layer up with icing in between. So that's how easy it is. And as we build our cake up, it's going to maintain a beautifully straight, level top. And trust me, once you've used one of these, you'll never ever use a knife again.